about El Tigre, especially the golf course, is it is not your typical resort golf course. It is not wide in every fairway where anybody can hit it, but it's more of a private club feel.
There's a lot of holes that are really scenic, and a lot of people come to look at the views with all the iguanas running around and alligators in the water. It's pretty cool.
Staff here is wonderful. Insight from the time you get here to the checking in to the time you leave, the staff just wonderful.
So many amenities, we don't have to leave out of the area.
We have 5 kids and we absolutely love it. It's paradise for us.
El gimnasio está muy completo.
Member here at the golf club has a lot of benefits. Not only do you have all the golf and all the practice that you want, you have the great golf shop that is in here, the restaurant that's also along here. Beach club. One of our new features that just happened at El Tigre this fall is our new fleet of golf carts from Club Car. We have the GPS system that's on there to make it great for your convenience.
Once you've been here, it keeps you here.
So every day is a